What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tony, and today we are, well, this video is actually supposed to be posted when the last two videos that I posted, but this one's actually for the wiring harness that's in the kicker panel of the driver's side. This one actually is for the cargo light cover, so when you hit reverse it turns on, and so while you're on the trail, reverse, in reverse, or just to help really get more light back there. If you're like me with a roof rack, it may not be that beneficial for you, to be honest, just because the roof rack, your rooftop tent's going to be in the way, or anything that's back there. But if you're on the trail and you don't have any of that stuff, this may actually be really a good little mod for you guys to actually do. Super simple. It's two wires, just basically bridging them together and always creating the power. So what this mod actually does is when you put your vehicle in reverse, it actually turns on the cargo light behind you, and then you also have both your tail lights, reverse lights are on, so that's just more light getting behind you. So it is helpful. Like I said, if you have a roof rack or even a rooftop tent, it really may not be that beneficial for you, but this is a mod that I wanted to let you guys know. But again, this video is supposed to be with the other three videos, so it kind of creates everything. And also, well, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and we are going to be installing Boost Auto's reverse cargo light mod, which when you put the vehicle or your truck into reverse, it turns on the cargo light, and that just helps to get more light backwards. If you're like me though, running a rack or even a rooftop tent, it may end up getting in the way, but I'm going to install this anyway, just for like kind of future proofing if I ever decide to take the stuff off. So if you guys are on the trails, it is going to help illuminate the rear end, so maybe you can help see better. Hopefully you're not going to back into a tree or anything like that. So that is something to keep in mind. So first we are going to disconnect the battery. On the driver's side, by the kick panel, you're going to see all your little switches right here. You see we already did the first two mods, and now we are going to go to this pink one at the very front of where the DBD2 port is. So you're just going to push down or pull down on the white tab and then push in right above it. And then if you want to find something easy, find the little factory end tape and then just undo this wire. And then all you're going to do is go to the bottom of the plug, which where you pushed in it is actually considered the top. So on the back side, you're going to have these two little push pins. Just going to push it in and get that. There we go. Then all you're going to do is on the little locking tab, and then I would take your time and just slice this back as far as you can go, but take your time. You don't want to cut any of these wires. So right now we're going to want to locate pin 8 and pin 6. So if you don't know, the top one from where you push in starts at 1 to 4, from 5 to 8. So it's going to be this yellow or purple and white and this green and white wire that we are going to be using. Then you're going to take your supplied wire and just connect them. It doesn't matter which side it goes on where. And that is the entire mod itself. And now we are just going to push this back in. And tug. And now your wires are all done. I do wish this cable was a tad shorter, but it is what it is. And then plug in the battery and let's test it out. And now let's start the vehicle and see how this mod works. So I greatly appreciate you guys watching the video, and please, if you haven't already, hit that like, subscribe. I actually got a lot more stuff actually coming in that I have never told really anybody yet. So also, I got other videos, and next month we are going camping. We're gonna do some winter camping. This is the first time I've ever actually done any really winter camping, so I'm actually pretty excited for that part. So yeah, happy Friday, and guess what? Catch you guys on the next one. Hit that like and subscribe. Peace out.